Scene script. Have you ever wondered about the unique features of Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun? Welcome to the celestial theater of our solar system, where each planet plays a unique and captivating role. Today, let's traverse the cosmic stage and journey to Uranus, the seventh wonder from our Sun. Seated comfortably between Saturn and Neptune, Uranus is a spectacle that's as intriguing as it is distant. It's an ice giant, a term that might conjure images of frosty titans in your mind, but in astronomical terms, it refers to a specific type of planet, one that's primarily composed of heavier volatile substances. Think about substances like water, ammonia, and methane, but not in the state that you're familiar with. These aren't your run-of-the-mill liquids or gases. Instead, they exist in a supercritical state, a unique phase where matter blurs the line between liquid and gas, bestowing Uranus with its title as an ice giant. With a diameter of about 31,763 miles and a mass of around 86.8 times that of Earth, Uranus is no small player in our cosmic neighborhood. It's a world of extremes, from its icy composition to its sideways rotation, a result of a massive collision early in our solar system's formation. The atmosphere of Uranus is a swirling mix of hydrogen and helium, with a significant dash of methane. This methane plays a starring role in the planet's distinct blue-green color, a hue that sets it apart from its solar system siblings. Uranus, the ice giant, lives up to its chilling name with an average surface temperature of negative 224 degrees Celsius. But don't be fooled by its icy demeanor. Uranus is a world alive with activity, from its faint rings to its 27 known moons, each with their own stories to tell. It's this icy composition that gives Uranus some of its unique characteristics. So as we peer into the distant sky, let's remember the seventh wonder from our Sun, a world of ice, gas, and mystery waiting to be explored. One of the most intriguing features of Uranus is its unusual tilt. Yes, you heard that right. Uranus is a planet that literally rolls on its side. This is not a common sight in our solar system, and it's one of the factors that makes Uranus so fascinating. The reason for this peculiar sideways spin is believed to be a result of a massive collision early in the solar system's formation. Picture this: a celestial body, perhaps as large as Earth, hurtling through space at unimaginable speeds. This rogue object smashes into young Uranus with such force that it knocks the planet over. The impact was so significant that it altered the planet's rotation axis, causing it to spin on its side. This sideways rotation has an interesting effect on the planet's seasons. Unlike Earth, where our seasons last just 3 months, Uranus experiences extreme seasons that last around 20 years. Imagine enduring winter for 2 decades. It's a stark contrast to what we're used to and is a testament to the extreme conditions that exist elsewhere in our solar system. Uranus also rotates in a retrograde direction, meaning it spins in the opposite way to the direction it orbits the Sun. This is another peculiarity that sets Uranus apart from most other planets. So, not only does Uranus spin on its side, but it also spins backward. This oddball rotation is just one of many features that make Uranus a planet full of surprises. Whether it's the extreme seasons, the unusual tilt, or the retrograde rotation, Uranus never ceases to amaze those who study it. Indeed, it's a world on its side, a planet that dances to its own tune and follows its unique path around the Sun. The more we learn about Uranus, the more we realize how diverse our solar system truly is. This sideways rotation truly sets Uranus apart from the other planets in our solar system. Upon observing Uranus, you'll notice its distinctive blue-green color. This icy giant's atmosphere has a unique composition that sets it apart from other planets in our solar system. The atmosphere of Uranus is rich with hydrogen and helium, elements common among the gas giants. However, what makes Uranus truly stand out is its significant amount of methane. This isn't just any methane though, it's methane that's locked away in a supercritical state deep within the planet. This gives Uranus its unique blue-green hue. Here's why. Methane molecules are particularly good at absorbing red light. When sunlight, which is composed of a range of colors, enters Uranus's atmosphere, the methane soaks up the red portion of the light spectrum. The rest of the light gets scattered in all directions. What we end up seeing is the blue and green light that has been scattered across the planet's atmosphere. This scattering of light is the same reason why our sky on Earth appears blue. The methane in Uranus's atmosphere is what gives the planet its striking color. So, the next time you gaze upon a picture of Uranus, you'll know it's not just any blue-green planet, but a fascinating ice giant with an atmosphere unlike any other. Uranus is not only unique in its tilt and color, but also in its extreme weather conditions. Let's take a moment to imagine a world where the cold is not just a winter's inconvenience, but a constant, unforgiving reality. Welcome to Uranus, a planet where the average surface temperature plummets to a bone-chilling -224 degrees Celsius. This is a cold so intense that it surpasses the lowest temperatures ever recorded on Earth, making our polar regions seem like tropical paradises in comparison. But it's not just the cold that makes Uranus's weather extreme. The planet is also home to winds that would put our most violent hurricanes to shame. These aren't your typical breezes. They are strong winds that flow in a retrograde direction, opposite to the rotation of the planet. Now, imagine winds tearing across the planet at speeds up to 500 miles per hour. That's faster than the cruising speed of a commercial jet airplane. These winds whip up storms so massive that they can be seen from Earth. The cold and the wind together create an environment that is both fascinating and hostile. The extreme temperatures turn the planet's methane, water, and ammonia into ices, contributing to Uranus's status as an ice giant. Meanwhile, the powerful winds sculpt these ices into intricate cloud patterns, painting a dynamic, ever-changing picture on the planet's surface. The combination of intense cold and high-speed winds also gives rise to unusual weather phenomena. For example, Uranus experiences diamond rain, where extreme pressure and temperature convert carbon into diamond that then rains down into the interior of the planet. With such extreme weather, Uranus is a world of frost and gales. This is a planet where the elements are in constant turmoil, a demonstration of nature's power and adaptability. It's a world that reminds us of the diverse and extraordinary conditions that exist within our own solar system. Uranus may not be as famous as Saturn for its rings, but it indeed has its own set of faint rings and a host of moons. In the vastness of space, circling around Uranus, are 13 faint rings that add to its mystical allure. These rings are more difficult to spot than those of Saturn, but they are there, silently orbiting this distant ice giant. The material of these rings ranges from tiny dust particles to larger chunks of ice, all held in place by the planet's gravitational pull. They are a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. But the rings aren't the only celestial bodies accompanying Uranus on its journey around the Sun. 27 known moons orbit this distant planet, each with its own unique characteristics and mysteries. Among these moons are Titania, the largest of Uranus's moons, Oberon, the second largest, and Ariel, the brightest. These moons are icy worlds in their own right, with complex surfaces that tell tales of geological activity and potentially hidden oceans. Titania, named after the Queen of Fairies in Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream, is marked by vast canyons and deep chasms. Oberon, another Shakespearean character, has a cratered surface hinting at a history of cosmic impacts. Ariel, named after a spirit in The Tempest, is the brightest of Uranus's moons due to its icy surface reflecting sunlight. These moons and rings do more than just orbit Uranus. They contribute to the planet's uniqueness and add layers of intrigue to its already captivating presence. They are silent witnesses to the past, present, and potentially future events in the life of Uranus, and by extension, our solar system. In the grand scheme of things, these rings and moons may seem small and insignificant, but in the world of astronomy, they are invaluable. They provide scientists with clues about the formation and evolution of our solar system, and they continue to inspire curiosity and wonder in all of us. With its faint rings and numerous moons, Uranus continues to fascinate astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Despite all we know about Uranus, many mysteries remain. Voyager 2 and New Horizons have given us a glimpse into this icy world, yet we've only scratched the surface of understanding. We've learned about its unique sideways rotation, its chilling temperatures, and its swift winds. We've marveled at its faint rings and its multitude of moons. But so many questions linger in the cosmic ether. What caused the massive collision that tipped Uranus on its side? What lies beneath its icy surface? And how did its complex system of rings and moons come to be? The potential for future missions to Uranus is thrilling. With advancements in technology, we may be able to delve deeper into its icy mysteries, uncovering more about its formation and evolution. Could there be more moons waiting to be discovered, or perhaps hidden features within its blue-green atmosphere? As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what secrets Uranus may reveal in the future?